Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the truke Fit Pro Power True Wireless Earphones. Now we are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the device looks like. They mentioned that it is using second generation Dolphin design. As you can see, the earbuds themselves look like little dolphin heads. On the right hand side, we have a little slogan which reads, "Power of True Beats." On the other side, we have some features being listed. You can get up to 100 hours of music playback. This is including the charging device the charging case as well as the buds themselves. Then you can get about 3 hours of playback with just 15 minutes of charging. The dynamic drivers in the earbuds happen to be 13 millimeters wide, and it's compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android devices. On the back side of the packaging, we can see some additional specifications as well as features. We've already seen the Dolphin second generation design language being mentioned. Then this offers instant pairing. There's enhanced bass or deep bass. It offers quick charging, and the charging case has 2000 milliamp hours worth of charge. It uses Bluetooth 5.0. The earbuds charging time is 27 minutes and playback time is 4.5 hours. There are asterisks around it stating that these things or timings are variable. Then the headphone battery is 40 milliamp hours. That is the battery within the earbuds. Charging case battery is 2000 milliamp hours, as we saw previously. Connection distance is up to 10 meters. Standby duration is up to 72 hours. Call duration can go up to 4 hours, and the charging interface is Type-C. The device, with the case included, weighs about 74 grams. On bottom, you have the manufacturer's contact information as well as details regarding contents. That seems to be everything about the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. So on the inside, you've got a little warranty card with mention of what all is covered. Again, you should check the Amazon store page to get proper details regarding the warranty. And on the other side is just an appeal for you to give feedback on their store page. Then you've got the charging case. Aside from that, you've got a charging cable. This is about 10 to 15 centimeters long, and it uses a USB Type-C interface on one end and a Type-A interface on the other. Like we mentioned, it's about 15 centimeters long. Then there's a user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand what all features your device has and how to operate it properly. Then you've got the charging case for the earbuds. It's very compact. We've got the Type-C interface for charging on the front side itself. It's towards the bottom edge. There's nothing all around, just the truke or truke branding on top. Once the case opens up, you can pull out the earbuds and slip them back in. There's a little indicator panel in the center. So if the device is charged, you will see how much charge each bud has and how much charge the overall case has in the center. So that's it for the unboxing of the truke Fit Pro Power True Wireless Earbuds. Thank you for watching.